Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, The DIY Cassidy. I'm Cassidy and today I have two very cute and easy Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs. I'm so excited for Halloween. Dollar Tree is just starting to put out a lot of their Halloween decor and supplies so we can do tons of Halloween DIYs together. Without further ado, let's just get into these two products. And I almost forgot, if you like Dollar Tree DIYs of any sense, Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs, please consider liking this video as well as subscribing to my channel. It really helps me grow and I'm so happy you're here and we can be creative together. Now without further ado, let's just get into the video. For today's project, you will need one or two, just depending on how many you want to do, of the Dollar Tree wooden houses. These can be found with just the regular wood craft stuff at the Dollar Tree. So you need two of those. I picked two different sizes to kind of give variety. And you will also need to, if you don't have this at home, I should say, I picked up the Jot photo paper. They're 8 sheets for $1. You might be able to find them cheaper elsewhere, but I just didn't need a lot of them. So I picked up one of these. And I went online and found free vintage printables and I printed things that I liked, images that I liked, and printed those out. So printed a couple of them. Here's another one that I've already cut down to size. And I will link the website where I found these below. You can pick anything you like. Also using Dollar Tree greeting cards would work well in these. It really just depends what you want. I wanted a more vintage feel, so I did that. You will also need some black acrylic paint because we are going to paint the inside where the pattern is of these. You could also use orange, but I'm choosing black. So you will need, your brushes, some scissors nearby, just kind of the regular stuff. So let's get started. So start by painting the inside of your frames. I like to use a small brush just to go up next to the corners. Really simple as that. Next, after you've painted your boxes and you've cut out your prints, really, you're just gonna slide them on in and glue them down, really easy. Also, so if you'd like to kind of, zhuzh it up a little bit, you can make a few bows. I got this bow pattern from the Dollar Tree and go ahead and tie those on, glue those on as well. For our next craft, you're going to need a Dollar Tree candle as well as a printable. I have linked this one below. You can also Google black flame candle printable and a lot of options come up. This is one that I designed myself. And the project is as simple as taking the sticker off. I still have to get the residue of the sticker off. And we're going to cut out our label and glue it on. And here I decided that I just wanted it to be a little bit, cuter. And so I just took a little bit of my leftover black acrylic paint and I just painted the wick to kind of make it feel, a bit more like the black flame candle from Hocus Pocus. Just an easy little bit to help zhuzh it up. All right, friends, there we have our super cute, super easy Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs. I hope that you love them. This is probably my favorite. I can't wait to really style this in my home. And like I said, if you liked this video and if you're gonna give these a try, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like the vintage look like I do, or if you're gonna maybe use a Dollar Tree card instead. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you on the next DIY.